guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this the sticker textured text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text. Just going to type in the word sticker, and I'm also going to select a font, just font size, and I'm going to also select a color, and I'm going to enable stroke, select the white color, and adjust the thickness of it as well. Go to effects and go to texture and add in print 1 and then folds 5 and folds 4 to add in like more texture. You can even add in the plastic ones if you'd like to. Then just select everything, right click, and then select create compound clip. Maybe it is better without the plastic one. Let's see. Yeah, it is a little bit better, but that's basically it really. The texture won't really render because I'm having some issues with disk files, but promise you it will look good. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!